Hey friends, this is Dr. JC Doornick, and if you're getting this message through email or however and watching this video, I happen to be your appointed Optavia health coach. Now, that can mean a bunch of different things for a bunch of you, but here's the deal. I'm reaching out to you to both say hello, but also share with you a new initiative and a new breath that I have, and I want to share it with you. So I'm really excited about basically leveling up my service with you, for you, but also in conjunction with me leveling up my own health. For those of you that have never met me, because a lot of you are on program with me, I lost 80 pounds 19 years ago, if you could believe it, using the simple Optavia 5-in-1 program. So more importantly, I've managed to learn how to keep it off and actually move on to living my life as a more health conscious person. Far cry from the way I used to be 19 years ago. So I owe all of that not only to Optavia and its program and its fuelings that made it all goof-proof and simple, but the real deep work that I did, for those of you that are aware of this habits of health system, the real deep mental work that I did, basically learning how to replace my old bad habits with good habits. And that's what the program was really about. I love the weight loss as well. So what does this mean for you and why am I coming to you? So I'm about to turn 53 years old, or 53 years young, I'll say. So I find myself more excited and motivated to continue with my own health journey than ever before. See, I use the program every day and it's changed my life. This is why I've become a full-time health coach. So I'm on a modified version of the program. I exercise a lot. I utilize some of the new active products and things like this. And that's what's cool about our program is it has a version of it for everybody. So I'm using a modified version of the Optavia program because of my high level of exercise and regularity with it. So, when we have a conversation, that's the first place it has to start is what's your current reality and what are you looking to achieve? What are you struggling with? But also, what's your lifestyle like? So what's driving me though? This is a really important key part of this. What's driving me is my kids, but also all of you. First of all, a lot of you are very, very inspiring. Those of you that are on program, maybe off program right now, but those of you that I work with close hip to hip, because that's what I do as a coach, very, very inspiring to me. But also there's the idea of a lot of you that are kind of lost out there. I'm very, very inspired to take a lead and be an inspiration for you. So very, very inspired by all of you, and I want to thank you for that. FYI, just so you know, I'm not sure if you've gotten any emails or anything like that from the company, and this is part of this new video series that I want to share with you. But the company right now, at the time that I'm doing this video, is July 10th. So through the end of this month, the company is actually offering, for anybody that's off program or looking to save money, all you have to do is reach out. The company's offering an extra $75 off of their already discounted price. So crazy times that we have as human beings right now. So if that's interesting to you and you're looking to save some money, or perhaps that was your challenge with program, even though it's a cost-effective way to food budget, simply reach out to me and I'll help guide and support you to make sure that you get that savings. I'll also keep you abreast of anything else like that. So this is both a hello from me, maybe a little bit of a catch-up. I actually do a podcast as well, so you're seeing me in my podcast studio, the Make Sense podcast, personal growth and stuff like that. You're welcome to enjoy that. But this is a hello, but also an opportunity and a welcoming and an opportunity for you to kind of run with me. That's what I'm looking to do is I've already taken a lead. I'm going to get in the best shape of my life. My goal is actually by the age of 55, I want to be in the best shape of my life. Once again, driven by you, my children, my family. But I want to invite you to run with me and a bunch of really, really excited, motivated, and inspirational people with this amazing program. We're going to be having challenges. We're going to all be coupling together and supporting one another in this crazy world. But we're going to be using this program that represents something that anybody can do. It'll always meet you exactly where you're at. And that means your exercise level or lack thereof, your food addictions, your mental status, your financial status. There is an option for anyone, even people using the GLP medications right now. We even have programs and kits for those of you that can't eat a lot right now. So just reach out if you're interested in running with us, savings or anything like that. I would be honored to take this new leveled up version of me and work alongside you. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos. I hope that you like them. It's not always going to be about me just catching up, but I'm going to do a lot more of these videos on a weekly basis just to stay in touch with you, keep you abreast of any special savings or health challenges that are coming up, and also maybe give you a little bit of wisdom here and there on how I reprogrammed and rewired my brain and how you can too. So I hope this message finds you well. Love and appreciate you all. Very much looking forward to hearing your story, what you want, why, what's in your way, and how we can conquer that breakthrough. Have a wonderful day.